Hi guys, today I will be explaining about how to make black and white video in Captured PC. This process will be simple and easy. The first thing is import your video, which you want to turn into black and white. I import a video, and this video is in colorful, and I will turn it into black and white using CapCut effects. So first, drag your video in the timeline. And here you can see the video is colorful. Time to turn it into black and white. For this, you don't have to do anything by yourself, because in CapCut, you can use the effects, and with the help of that effect, your video will be turned into black and white. So let's get that effect for getting that effect. Take a look on the right top. You will see a few options from these options. You have to tap on this option effects. And in the search bar, you have to search for black and white effects. And here you can see all the black and white effects. From here, you can choose which suit you the most. But for me, I will use this one black forest. So just tap on your effect and paste it on the video. And now you can see the video is turned into black and white. Now, if you want to make it more, then tap on this arrow and swipe this to the right side. And now you can see the whole video is changed into black and white. And if I play the video, and you can see the video is turned into black and white. And now if I remove the filter, this one is the original video. And if I apply the filter again, as you can see, this one is the result. And it was the way by which you can do it easily and quickly.